While murder and rape charges have been slapped on the gang rape accused, the juvenile, who was the most brutal of the lot, may just go scot-free under the garb of India's toothless Juvenile Justice Act. The monster, who is the bus cleaner, will turn 18 in another 4 months, but he will get away with a maximum of 3 years of counseling at a reform home. He confessed to both sexual and physical assault of the 23-year-old girl and was also identified at a test identification parade. Well, the law states that any offence committed by a person below 18 years of age is an act of innocence, and the juvenile cannot be tried under provisions of the IPC. In fact, he will be exempted from prosecution and punishment in accordance with the UN Convention on Rights of a Child. The cases will be dealt by the Juvenile Justice Board and provided free legal aid. In fact, a bone test on the juvenile rapist has proved he's below 18 years of age. He will turn into an adult during the trial, but age at time of offence will be considered by law, and he will get away with the 3-year reformative punishment at a juvenile home.
अगर जुवेनाइल माना जाता है, जुवेनाइल का डेफिनेशन यह है, वो चाइल्ड का भी डेफिनेशन वही है, ये जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट में 18 साल के अंदर कम उम्र का हो तो उसको बाकी लोगों के साथ मिलकर ट्रायल नहीं हो सकता, सजा नहीं हो सकता। ऐसा है उनका बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट होगा, उसे तो वो प्रूव कर सकते हैं, स्कूल रिकॉर्ड होगा, उससे भी होता है, और उसके अलावा मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन कर सकते हैं। या डाउट है ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स के बारे में, ये सही है नहीं है करके, अगर पास से क्वेश्चन इसको चैलेंज करती है, उन्होंने जो भी सबूत देता है, बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट हो या स्कूल रिकॉर्ड हो या पेश करके, अगर वो नहीं मानती है प्रोसिक्यूशन, तब मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन करा सकते हैं। मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन होता है अंदाजा कितना है करके।
Well, the question then is, can the Juveniles Brutal Act be considered an act of innocence as per law? Should law be reviewed to reduce the juvenile age from 18 to 16? 8 years ago, the act was amended and the age of a juvenile under the law was enhanced from 16 to 18. So then, is it time for a judicial review of the Juvenile Justice Act? Let's see how the world deals with teen crime. Let's get you the picture from UK up first. In exceptional cases, minors can be tried as an adult in an adult court. The 1993 murder in Liverpool set a precedent. In France, juveniles can be sentenced if circumstances and delinquency justify it. In the United States, criminal majority begins at 16, 17 or 18 years.